So in this video we are going to learn about demonstration skill, which is part of micro teaching taught in B.Ed first year. So this is how a lesson plan will look like. So write the skill, demonstration, subject, topic, previous knowledge and the teaching aids. Teaching aid is basically all that a teacher is going to use in the class to explain the topic. So those are the teaching aids like blackboard, chalk, diagram, digital multimeter and the cell. Previous knowledge of class, a teacher can ask few basic questions related to the topic just to check the previous knowledge of the class, and this also helps to declare the topic right in front of the class. Previous knowledge, checking previous knowledge is a good feedback mechanism, and this can be easily done by asking few basic questions. Okay, so there are 3 columns here, so you can easily see that how effectively we could write our lesson plan. This is an example. So a teacher will come in a class and he or she will greet the class and the class will respond. So after that, teacher may ask few basic questions like teacher may, since this is a demonstration skill, so teacher is carrying some objects, some teaching aids, and on those teaching aids he or she may ask few questions to the class like what is this object, what is a cell, what is a battery, what is this device called, by showing a device, and at the end the topic declaration. So students, today we are going to perform an experiment and measure the voltage using digital multimeter. Okay, so topic has been declared here. Now after that, a teacher will proceed his or her lecture by writing few basic definitions or by explaining few basic definitions related to the topic. Like here, definition of a voltmeter. So voltmeter is a measuring instrument used to find the voltage level around an electric circuit when connected in parallel with the part of the circuit being measured. So after this definition, teacher may proceed with the demonstration, may proceed with the experiment step by step, right? So all the steps related to this particular case is written over here. This is measurement of voltage by using digital multimeter. So you can easily understand by reading these steps. At the end of the experiment, at the end of the demonstration, teacher will give a conclusion remark. Okay, so conclusion is written over here. Teacher may say that okay, so we have learned about measuring voltage of a cell using digital multimeter. Now blackboard writing skill, normally a teacher write few things on a blackboard like subject, date, topic. Here, since this is a demonstration skill, so definitely there are some objects, there are some equipments, apparatus being used. So aim of the experiment and apparatus used is also important to write on the blackboard. Teacher may draw some kind of drawing or diagram to explain the topic more clearly, and at the end he or she may write the conclusion. Thanks for watching.